Sweetie Pie, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be mean. No, we're not actually gonna try to be mean, but we are kind of gonna be mean. I was going through my collection and I was trying to find some things in my collection that I put away even though I didn't like them. And I'm like notorious for this. If I don't really like something, like an eyeshadow palette or something, I'm still gonna keep it in my collection and I'm still gonna try to use it and try to find a way that I like it. Well, these products here, a lot of them I can't really find a way to like them. I'm probably going to still use them, but there are some of them in here that I'm never going to use again. There are some of them in here that I will use because I like them for, you know, maybe something, but a lot of them, yeah, I just don't like them. Which is not like, that's not like my style really. I don't like being really negative on products. If I don't like something, especially if it was expensive, I will voice my opinion. There will be definitely some videos popping up. But most of the time, I'm just like, you know what? I'll find another use. I will be gentle when saying I don't really like it, and I will voice, just why I didn't like it. Because some people will love some of these products I'm showing, but it's just, in my opinion, they didn't work out well for me. So do not be offended, obviously, because everybody dislikes things. Everybody. It's just like doing an anti-haul kind of thing, but I actually spent my money on these products. Some of these products I reviewed and I did kind of like them in the beginning, or maybe I didn't like them in the beginning. You'll have to look back because I've done a lot of reviews on most of these and I've talked about a lot of these products. So yeah, it's not working out. Anyway, let's get into this video. Subscribe. I was like, what do I want? Subscribe to my channel, of course. Hey, hi to old subscribers, and hey, hi to your brand new ones. You definitely need to click that button and click the notification bell if you actually want to see my videos, because YouTube's making it hard for the little guy. As always. Alright, so the first, number one, and this is in no particular order. This is just like pretty much the order I put them in as I found them in my collection, and I was like, oh yeah, I don't like that. This is the Essence Vibrant Shock Lip Paints. Okay, now the one I have here is in Black Widow, and it is this really dark blue. These are somewhat matte. After about 5 minutes, they will dry down and stick on your lips. And I did wear them in a video last week. I wore this one in a video last week, and that's when I started to realize I don't like these. The pink one, and they do have a very odd smell to them. It's supposed to be sweet, but it's not. This one's in Twisted Sister, and it is super sheer. It is really hard to get that sheerness out of this color. I don't know, all I have is these two. I know there's a few more, but this dark one is absolutely beautiful. It is super opaque, but it gets everywhere. It travels all over the lips. I'm like, where are you going? Stay! Now this one, on the other hand, I don't have as much trouble with. I don't know if this one is because it's a blue. It's hard for me to get in my lip line, but I can't stand putting this one on. After it's dried down, it's not so bad, but honestly, I think I'm just going to give these away. I do not need the hassle, and the smell is not. So the next thing on my lips, well, it was on my lips, are these Sephora Lip Stories lipsticks, especially the metallic one I got. This one is in Ouch. It is so weird and sheer and odd and chunky. Like, the chunkiness of this lipstick is terrible. But look at how shiny it is. It looks beautiful here. It feels terrible. Now, I didn't actually mind this one. This one is in a matte, and it's Off Limits. This one's not bad, but it's not a matte lipstick. It's a cream. It has shimmer, not shimmer, but it has shine to it. And even when it dries down, it's still very kind of shiny. So I feel like they kind of screwed up, not really screwed up, but they named this one a matte when it's really not really that matte. I've had lip bullets that were much madder than this, and they made these kind of chunky. So I did not have good luck with these lipsticks at all. I don't know anything about what the other ones feel like, but I do know that this metallic one in Ouch was just, And I didn't care about the packaging. The packaging was cute. This one has little cactuses on it. This one is like a barn door with a lock. So cute. It's just, the textures were not. Sorry, the next two products are actually brow products, and it takes me so long to love a brow product, but honestly, these two just, I've given up. This one is the Milani Brow Tint Pen. It is a felt tip brow color. This one is in, what is this one in? Dark brown. This is supposed to be like an eyeliner brow pencil, which I thought was genius because I figured it would give those beautiful like strokes. It's not pigmented enough. It's so not pigmented, like, and it like feels like it ran out. I don't know. I have not ever been able to get this to work properly, and it's not that it's not long wearing, because when you can really get the pigment out, it does wear for quite a long time, but it's not my favorite. It just, you needed more pigment in this so badly. The next one is the Wonder Brow. Now, I do want to get a different color of the Wonder Brow because this one is in taupe and it's again, or no, it's in brunette and it's just not dark enough. This will stay on your brows for freaking ever, and I will use it. I used it this week to build like, and I will build up the color, or if I'm doing like a super natural brow, if you literally just take it off the little applicator and then dip it into an angled brush, it will work. But I just don't understand why they would have made not a foolproof, like they would have made a waterproof, like resistant brow product with very little pigment in it. When you get it on an angled brush and you try to, oh, it takes forever to build up. And I guess that can be a good thing for beginners, but for me, it just became kind of like, give me more pigment. It's a great product. It does stay on. If you wipe my brow right now, it's gonna come off. With this stuff, it takes a lot more to come off, and I do love that, but I need to get a different color, obviously. I don't know if it's like the products are just sheer or if it's the color because it is like one of the lighter ones, but this isn't working out for me. Alright, so I have two hard candy products. I did review these products, and I want to say after using them for a couple more weeks, I have some very strong opinions. So the first thing is this hard candy. This is the Fox in a Box. This is in Girl Next Door. This has too much shimmer in it for a blush. I think the drugstore just kind of went way too shimmery. It's a highlight. Like if you are of darker skin tone, go out and purchase these because they are so smooth and so metallic. But I just find that when I put this on my cheeks and then I try to put a highlighter on, it's way too highlighty. Like today I don't have a highlighter, so let's just pop. See, and you instantly get like blinging cheeks, which is okay, but I just feel like I forget how blingy it is, and then it just ends up being a mess on my face. It's not that it's not bad. I do like it. It's just, it's one of those products where you're like, oh, I gotta remember that it has so much crazy pigment in it that it's not even pigmented, it's just so shimmery. The pigment in it, anyways, after getting absolutely cut off by my camera because it was full, anyways, the blush, it's okay, but if you don't like shimmery blushes, like really shimmery blushes, you're gonna hate this. You're gonna hate it. The next hard candy is the Hydrating Primer Mist. This says it has 12-hour wear. I just don't think that's true, and it also says that you can set your makeup with this. Please don't set your makeup with this. It'll leave you so freaking sticky, you will absolutely be like, what the hell? It's just super sticky, and I just did not like the stickiness. Now, I think that wearing it underneath your makeup is okay, but I don't see like an eternal longevity thing. I think that it's a nice like misting primer, but essentially I don't really know if it's like, you know, it says electrolytes, energize, and hydrate skin. It says oil-free, silicone-free, so if you don't like silicone primers, you might actually like this, and I don't think there's any dimethicone in it either, so if you like that, you may actually like this, but it just, when I tried to set my makeup, which is what I wanted to do with this, it was terrible. It was absolutely terrible. So it just wasn't what I thought it was. In my review, if I can remember, I think I remember actually liking this, but I did mention it was sticky. I just haven't used it since because I don't normally spray my face before I do my makeup. I usually put like a hydrating actual primer like the Laura Mercier or the Smashbox Primerizer. So that's just how I feel. I'm sorry, hard candy. Okay, so the last two products on this list, they are both sample sizes, which I'm kind of happy about. The first one is the Laneige Sleeping Mask, the lip one. I'm so sorry. It breaks me out. It breaks me out all around my lips. I don't know what that is. I don't know what's going on there, but it breaks me out so bad on my lips. I had to give this to my boyfriend and say, here, you have bad lips. You can use it, because it just made my mouth break out like crazy. So I just can't use it. I just can't use it. It was nice. I thought it was okay. Normally I wouldn't go to sleep with a lip mask on. Normally I would like wear it during the day, but I stopped using it. I'd stop breaking out on my mouth, and then I would start using it and I would break out all over the place, and I was like, okay, that's it. That's it. So I haven't used it since. And then last but not least, something that I don't think very many people have liked. I am going to try this again, and I'm going to try and mix it in with like a really full coverage foundation, see if I like it that way. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Radiancy Drops. Do not put these over your foundation. Please. Even mixing them in, if you mix in too much, what's me about this product is that when you mix it into your foundation, it's not like a ton of beautiful shimmer or radiance on your face. It makes it just a little bit more emollient, so it is prettier on your face, but I feel like I have to powder more when I put this in. If I put something like the Cover FX drops, I am going to get some really beautiful radiance on my skin, and it's going to be beautiful, and it's going to be a little bit shimmery on my skin. This is just like an oil. It's a straight oil, and I don't like how deceiving they were with the bottles. If you can see, the bottle is actually shimmery. I don't think this is what's in this bottle, because this color itself is not like that. I think they put shimmer around the bottle, because when you get it out, do you see it running across there? It's not the same color. It's not. So they've literally painted the bottle on the outside to make it look prettier than it actually is. So that's deceiving, and I didn't like that. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I wasn't too negative, and I hope you guys subscribe, because, you know, that helps me out. And make sure you like this video, because that gets my videos around. I love you guys so much. Thank you to my subscribers for watching my videos, because I love you guys so much, especially Carrie. Go Carrie! Go Carrie! She's on my Instagram all the time. I love you, girl. You're amazing. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, night, evening, whatever. Mwah. Bye.